built-in functions and string methods. Hello there. Today we are going to learn about some built-in functions and string methods in Python. A piece of code that works on some input and returns an output based on it is called a function or method. There are some built-in functions and string methods in Python which helps us make working with strings easier. Let us now observe how each of these functions work. Len function calculates the number of characters in the string. Title function changes the first letter of each word in the string into capital letters. Lower converts all capital letters in the string into small letters. Upper converts all small letters into capital letters. We use count to count the number of times a substring is used in the string. Suppose we want to replace a string with another string, we make use of replace function. This replaces the old string with the new one. When we have to check if a string has uppercase characters, we make use of the isUpper function. It returns a value true if uppercase character is present, otherwise it returns a false. IsLower checks for lowercase characters in a similar manner. Let's understand the operation of these functions using a string. Let's take a string a equals to, let us check built-in functions. Then type len a. This will return a value 32. A.title brackets will return, let us check built-in functions. Notice how all first letters turn into capital letters. A.lower brackets will return, let us check built-in functions. Here, the capital L changes to small l. A.upper brackets will return, let us check built-in functions. Here, all letters turn into capital letters. Let's count the number of i's in A. A.count bracket I bracket will return a value 3 as there are 3 i's in the text. Now, suppose we want to replace the word check with learn about. We will use the replace functions. A.replace bracket check, comma, learn about bracket. It will print, let us learn about built-in functions. Let's take b equals to year hyphen 1023. If we type b.isUpper brackets, it will return false as the string b has no capital letters. If we type b.isLower brackets, it will return true as it has small letters year. Wasn't that easy? Try writing simple Python programs using these string functions in your lab sessions. Thank you.